Hello, I welcome you to my YouTube platform. Today I'm going to give you the latest updates regarding the Kantanka Boafo. So we are doing this in the showroom, Kantanka Automobile Showroom. So today we are going to give you the latest update about Kantanka Boafo. Yes, Kantanka Boafo. If this is your very first time, or if you've been watching my videos but you are not a subscriber yet, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and get notified of every YouTube upload right here on Quadcycle Studios. It is really a pleasure to have you on this platform once again. Please do well to subscribe. My name is Nana Quadcycle. Please like the video. I'm begging you, kindly like the video for me. So today it is me taking time walking you through the Kantanka Boafo. Yes, the Kantanka Boafo, and giving you the latest updates about the Kantanka Boafo. Ever since I uploaded a YouTube short, okay, ever since I uploaded a YouTube short about the Kantanka Boafo, I mean the video is over 26,000 people. I mean has a view of about 26,000. And to be very honest, I had a lot of people saying, Kojo, why is your this thing expensive like that? I mean, can you give us some reason? Okay, so this is it. Okay, I'm giving you the update. Um, some people also didn't understand the payment plan, the payment term. How is everything like? I have to let you know. But before then, please just look at this. You can tell that this has a different tie comparable to the normal abubuya that we see, or the normal tricycle that we see. And this is a 350cc engine. 350cc engine. That is just the truth of the matter. 350cc engine. And the last time in one of my videos at the assembling plant, I told you that this screen that you are seeing here, it gives you every detail about your quad cycle. So this is a quad cycle, Kantanka Boafo. It gives you every detail, every detail. You understand? Every detail. You have 1 year warranty for factory defect, and this is a 350cc. Yes, 350cc. The normal Aboboya we see sometimes 120, 150. This is a 350cc, and it comes with a four. This is manual. 5 forward gears, one reverse. You have your two helping gears here. You understand? So this is quite different from the normal ones that we see all day or every time. No, this is different. This is different. So this is the latest updates that I'm giving you on this particular vehicle, which is the Kantanka Boafo. We are done with first production, okay? That is just the truth of the matter. We are done with first production. Second production is ongoing. Yes, as I speak to you, second production, exactly what you are saying. Second production is ongoing. So if you are interested in this machine, we started with publicization last year December, and we told our customers that we will be done with the first production around March. Now second production will be done, God willing, next month ending. So we'll be done with second production next month ending. So April ending will be done with second production. If any customer is interested and watching me on this platform, the customer should note that it means that you are going to pay 35,000 Ghana cedis as initial deposit. 35,000 Ghana cedis as initial deposit. You know, to it is going to give an indication of commitment that you are interested. So you pay 35,000, or you pay the full amount, 65,000 Ghana cedis. So when you pay the full amount, 65,000 Ghana cedis, this vehicle, the next production, you are rest assured that the moment we are done, we are going to call you for you to come and, we are going to call you for you to come and pay, or for you to come and take your quad cycle. Aside that, another thing that I would like you to note is this. You are going to get 1 year warranty for factory defect. As we speak, you are going to get 1 year warranty for factory defect, but you are going to do your own registration. Yes, you are going to do your own registration when you buy this vehicle. You are going to do your own registration without anyone, without Kantanka doing it for you. When you buy our cars, just like what you are saying. When you buy the Kantanka on 94, the K71 Pros or Mama or Brimpong, we do free registration for you. And that one you have 3 years warranty. But with this one, you have 1 year warranty for factory defect. 1 year warranty for factory defect. People were asking me also. So, but before I move on to that, I want to let you know that you do this and you are good to go. So you pay 35,000 as initial deposit, or you pay 65,000 full cash. We do delivery nationwide. We do delivery nationwide. So if anybody is interested, I just want the person to note that we do delivery nationwide. Yes, we do delivery nationwide. So we can deliver to you anywhere. I repeat, we can deliver to you anywhere in this country. We can do delivery to you anywhere in this country. But delivery comes with a cost. If you are in Kumasi, we have a lot of people in Kumasi. If you are in Takrady Takwa, we have people in Takrady Takwa that are asking, I repeat, that are asking or that are paying for their pre-order. So when we are bringing the vehicles or when we are bringing the machine, the truth is you wouldn't pay that much. If it were to be just one person, the person would incur, a cost of about 6,000, 5,000 Ghana cedis thereabout. But because we are going to bring it to a lot of people, please understand that um, we are going to pay something small, like 1,000, probably 1,500 max. That is the latest update. So please, this is the latest update that I'm giving you. This is Kantanka Boafo. Yes, Kantanka Boafo. There is a four-stroke single cylinder with this great, ties. Yes, this is the ties, and this is the front view. Yes, this is the front view with your windscreen, with your roof and everything, and also comes with this coolant. You have your seat right here, and you know it comes with tipping as well. Yes, it comes with tipping, and you have your fuel tank here. So that is your fuel tank. That is your fuel tank. So that is exactly what you are saying. So that is the update, or that is the latest update I wanted to give you regarding the Kantanka Boafo. Yes, that is the latest update I wanted to give you regarding the Kantanka Boafo. Please, if this is your very first time, once again, please do what to subscribe. Now the price is 65,000. That is the original price. Call us on 0242 0242 It's my personal business line on 054 Um, 1 year warranty 65,000. Locate Kantanko to mobile showroom at Achimota overhead. Yes, Achimota overhead. We are just by the roadside. That is exactly what you are seeing. We are just by the roadside. Achimota overhead. Achimota overhead. When you get there, you ask anybody of Kantanko to mobile showroom. You'll be given directions to the place. So please do well to call us and let's do this together. Subscribe. I beg you, please like the video. Like the video for me. Like the video for me. This is not just any car, it's our car.